Kai here. Hey, what's up? I haven't talked to you. So today I got some updates. Yeah, it's kind of boring. I really didn't want to, but I have to because, you know, it's raining out. I know, seriously, it's really gross. I had something up, but now I can't because it's raining out and it's really, really dark. I mean, really dark. I'm afraid of the dark. So today I'm going to have a video and it's going to be called What to Do When It's Raining. I'm just going to do some funny stuff and like give you some ideas what to do when it's, because usually when it's raining out you're all bored out of your pants. After you watch the video, I need you to leave a comment, and I want the comment to be one word that you think describes me. Trust me, it's going to be for my next video. Alright, so here's the video. Bye! Hey Justin, what's up? Really, Justin? What's that for? Okay guys, are you ready? You guys are very loving and supportive. Hey guys, can I play? Sure, why not? Alright guys. Guys, I think I'm winning. Am I winning, guys? Am I winning? Oh, I died! What the heck? Okay, I'm gonna win now, guys. I'm gonna win.
No, you're not.
I am so gonna win. I'm going to win, and you can't deny it. Yeah. No, I died again. What the crud monkeys? I'm winning. I think I win.